Welcome back to my new video. Oh, come on. Disconnected, mate. Oh, go plug in my charger. Forgetting everything today, guys. But, well, not really forgetting everything. Well, I forgot to plug in my charger. And then it got disconnected. That was glorious. Glorious. Okay, I'm not gonna put this on loop anymore. Let's put this on. Just saying, guys, Marshmallow has the best songs ever, so eat. I put this on. Come on, Sunny Jim. Okay. Okay, so we are in the game right new. Shop. Can I enter the shop? No, I can't. Can I not? I guess not. Oh, okay. A waffle, I want a waffle. Can I have a waffle? Waffle. Can I not have a waffle? Oh, I guess I got a waffle. But guys, if you have been following my vids, guys, if you have been following my vids, oh, doesn't matter. Well, if you guys have been following my vids, well then you'd see that I have published a video about playing these two games. This game is called Camping 1, Camping 2. Okay, so I played both these games in one, and yeah. Oh, finally the music's on. Come on. No! You gotta be kidding me, guys. What's wrong with this? What's going to be said? Start? Why can I not? Can I? Is that going? Oh my god! Why? People are stupid. Oh my god! You gotta be. Why is there so many? Come on, guys, help me. Why are people naked right now? Whatever. Can I please? Come on. You gotta be kidding me. Oh well, I'm just not gonna play the game. But let's play a different game. What are my friends playing? Let me see. I'm gonna play a game of what my friends are playing. Well, let's see if they are playing anything good, because I have a game in mind. But let's just see what they're playing. Just these are the games we're playing. Well, you can play this game if you want. You can play it. Well, don't play that game, because that game's kind of boring. We'll play this game. It's fun. And this game doesn't work. This game is not fun. This game's sort of fun. This game is also sort of fun. This game is also sort of fun. But, oh, Lily's playing. Lily! Lily is playing. Okay, well, I'm gonna play with Lily. Let's do this! Okay. Let's do this.
Can
I believe Lily's playing. Here's him. I can vid.
What?
Because I can.
Hey, you're not friends?
Hey, I have friends. You can say nothing about me. Come on, Tiny Jim.
No friend, bro.
You have no friends. But I have friends. Come on, people. Okay, finally. Lily? Yeet? Oh my god, I can't believe Lily's playing. Wait, she's still... Okay, good. She's a teen. I'm a teen. Like ye. Load, kid. Load. Kid. You get it? Because kid's right there. You know, I'm amazing.
You're making it.
Yes, I am. You call this not making a video, son?
Huh?
Huh? Huh? Come on, Sonny Jim. So I'm going to remove my hat. I've played this game before. It is good. Maybe, sort of. Okay, got the correct. Got these pants. Good. Got to put that t-shirt on. I mean, yeah, whatever. I mean, face. Got to put that on. Because now I look fantastic. Okay, let's go find Lily. Oh, where is this kid? Hold on, let me just... Okay, she is somewhere. Lily. Lilina. Where is Lilina? Is this Lily? Please be Lily. If you're not Lily, I'll cry. Oh, it's Lily. Lily. This is also a good game. Oh, oopsies. Huh? Huh?
Have you had a she-read?
No.
No, you need to go.
So, yeah, this is a good game. You should play it. I'm not going to go any further for this video because this game gets physical. Okay, so, see you guys. I look fantastic. But, yeah. So, see you later, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this amazing video. There wasn't much in this video, but still hope you enjoy. Cause, well, I don't know. Let me just. Eat. Okay, it's good enough. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you click that notification bell, subscribe, like this video. What? Where's your brother? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you later, people. Peace out. And I'll always be making videos for you guys. See you later, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.